Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to tag someone in a tweet on X. And for this you need to open your X application and then from here tap on the plus icon right in the bottom. Then write a message or create the tweet that you want to create, and we will start by telling Elon Musk that what are his thoughts on the market just right now. So hi, and then tap on the 1, 2, 3 icon, and from there tap on this little icon, and from there we can type in the name that we want to tag, then tap on his name, and then behind there the message. What do you think of today's market? And then tap on post. And this is exactly how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.